Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with an early rising crypto update, pre-market. Trying to get in here and chart some of these stocks before the market actually opens. We are 30 minutes into our first 12 hours within the crypto space, so we're gonna take a look at some cryptos, some stocks. Give me 1 second. Let me set my Bluetooth up and connect it to this laptop. So give me 1 second. Bitcoin with a nice dip. Let me see. Let's go back to a day chart real quick. Let's bring this out. This isn't the usual chart that I use. This is USD on Coinbase. Usually I'm using Tether versus BTC versus Tether, or a lot of my tokens versus Tether on the Binance exchange market. But there's something going on with Tether right now. In fact, let me bring that up so I can show you. Let's see, Tether versus USD. Let's look at Tether versus USD on Kraken. Let me bring this up. Hold on, give me 1 second, fam. Waiting for it to connect. Why is it not allowing me? Oh, okay, there we go. No, hold on. Tether versus USD. Okay, I think we may still be loading up. Let me see what's going on over here. Let me try to add it. It's actually not allowing me to add it right now. I don't know what's going on with it. Let me see. So no, it did not allow me to add it. I don't know why it's not adding. What's going on, man? Great rising. I don't know why it's not allowing me to add it to the chart. Let me try. No, you can close it. Let me go over here and I'm gonna close this up and open it up again. See if maybe that's the reason. What we're looking at right now is Coin 360, and what Coin 360 shows you is pretty much the market cap. It's sponsored by Hit BTC, and it has basically the percentages, but they break it down into the category of the token as far as its technology behind it. So you see, we got the SHA-256, which is of course Bitcoin. Then you got ETH or ET hash. You have ECBSA scripts, Ethereum tokens, BPOS. Let me see. I mean, damn near every token's got its own category, or there is a number of tokens that are under one category. When we look at the Ethereum tokens, we got BNB, Maker, OMG, ZRX, A Eternity, Zilliqa. There are a great number of ERC20, ERC22, ERC1151, ERC777, ERC721s. There's a number of different Ethereum tokens that are actually out and tradable. So let me try to get Trading View open back up for us. Let me see. Let me see if I can get this back open. And let me see if it's going to react with me also. Let's see if it's going to allow me to pull up Tether real quick. Because I want to show y'all what's going on with Tether. There's something real funny going on with Tether versus the United States dollar. It's a sell-off going on. And I've never really seen a sell-off like this with Tether. So let me see if it'll allow us to now bring it up. Let's see. Cryptocurrency, Tether versus USD. Hold on. There we go. USDT versus USD on Kraken. It will not allow me to look at Tether for some reason, family. I do apologize for that. I don't know why it's not allowing us to take a look at Tether right now. But like I said, let me connect my Bluetooth real quick. Give people a couple minutes to check in. What time is it right now? 7:34. So we're 4 minutes in. About another minute, and then we'll go ahead and kick it off and go through these coins. Let me try to bring up Coin Market Cap. Let me see. Also, let me know if I'm choppy. Let me know if I'm clear. Let me know if the volume is okay. Right now, we got 217 billion in the market. Let me see. In fact, let me try to tune in. Let me see if I can listen in myself also. Let me see if I can tune in myself, see how it sounds. Okay, so I do see it's real skippy. Great rising, zigzagger. Let me see. Yeah, let me try to connect this Bluetooth real quick. Just so that the vocals sound a little bit better. Give me 1 second. Detach to that. Detach from that. Let me turn my Bluetooth on. Let me know who I got out there watching right now with us also. Let me know who I got out there watching with us right now. While I get this Bluetooth connected. There we go. All right, so now we connected. Bluetooth is connected, so it should be a little bit different. It should be a little difference within how my voice is coming through. What's going on, family? How we doing out there? Great rising to everybody. Great rising to everybody. Let me reintroduce myself for those that may be checking in for the first time. My name is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully family, and not to be confused with any type of financial advisor or anything of the sort. So I'm just a guy who's into crypto, into chart reading, and I may do a little bit of trading here and there. For the most part, I like bringing the information to the people. Right now, we got over 2,054 different cryptocurrencies on the market. That's ridiculous. Over 14,598. So somebody that may just be beginning in this space, you probably know about Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, ADA, EOS. Mm, Let me see. Ethereum Classic, of course. Definitely the main ones that are on Coinbase you're going to know about. And I heard that they're adding many more to Coinbase within the days to come. So I'd like to actually see how that turns out. Let me see. There we go. Okay. All right. Zigzagger, good morning. How we doing out there, brother? How we doing? So real quick, just taking a quick look at the market. You see, for the most part, once again, everything in the red. Bitcoin is down right now, 0.8%. Ethereum down 0.4%. Bitcoin at 65. Ethereum at 226. Ripple's at 46 cents. Bitcoin Cash right now is at $511. Bitcoin Cash, for the most part, has been holding very good gains above that $500 mark. EOS right now at 588, up 0.4%. Stellar right now coming in at 24 cents, down 0.8%. Litecoin at 57.88, down 1.34, 1.3% rather. Tether right now down 0.2%, but like I said, versus the United States dollar, Tether is it was doing this for the dump. I don't know what's going on. I wish I could have brought it up. I don't know what's going on with my trading view. It's not allowing me to interact with the screen as I want to. Let me see. Coming in at number 9, we got Cardano at 8 cents, down 0.8%. Monero at $111, down 1.311, 111. Angelic numbers to anybody that resonates with. Coming in at number 11, oddly enough, we got Tron trading at 2 cents, down 0.9%. IOTA right now trading at 57 cents, down 1.5%. We got Dash coming in at number 13, trading at $177, down 1.7%. Binance Coin holding gains above $10, trading at 10.34 presently, down 1.1%. Neo coming in at 18.05, down 0.6%. Ethereum Classic trading at $10.76, neck and neck with Binance Coin coming in number 16, down 1.11%. There goes those angelic numbers again. Coming in at number 17, we got Neem trading at 10 cents, down 1.6%. Tezos we got coming in at number 18 at $1.34, down 2.9%. Coming in at number 19, we got VeChain trading at a penny, down 1.9%. And coming in last but not least, at number 20, we got Dogecoin trading at a half a penny, pretty much evened out right now. Not much movement. Now going a little bit past, now we see Maker's making its way back up. Maker back up, coming up at number 22. We can actually see this is something I've been telling people to watch since last year when it was trading around what, $1,000, maybe $1,500 at the most. Not even last year, within the beginning of this year, just because of the technology behind it and the price movement that we were seeing. So when it dumped down to about what was it, $400 at the least? Let's go ahead and take a look at Maker real quick, see if we can bring it up. Let's see. Right now trading at $682. Actually down almost 10%. We're actually down almost 10% right now. Let's see. So yeah, see, coming from where we were at 780. Wow. Nice quick $100 dip. Now at our lowest point, we got down to a price of $338, family. That was only on September 10th. So from 338, we've jumped from 338 to 788, 780, in fact. So significant growth coming out of Maker. Definitely one you want to keep your eyes on. Let's see. Now, if we want to really see who's up in the market, it's one of two ways we can do that. Let me come over here because I do want to show you how to utilize Coin 360. Now, when you look at Coin 360, it gives you a bunch of different categories, a nice filter for you. You can look at coins and tokens or one or the other. Coins and tokens, only coins and only tokens. You can look at all of them. You can look at the top 200 losers or the top 200 gainers. Now, you can look at these in different time formats. So you can see who they are within the last hour, the last day, the last 7 days, or the last month, and then you can customize it. Also, you can look at them according to market cap or volume, and you can hide who you want from the map. What we're going to look at right now is, let's look at the last 24 hours. Let's see who the top 200 gainers are. Let's see, who do we have here? I see we have Noah. Let me get rid of that because that's still loading up. So let me see, in the last 24 hours, you can see top, we got A Eternity, Noah coming in, GBT, who I actually traded in last night. I caught a nice little long position. I ain't gonna call it a long position. I got about 5% out of it. Right now up 9%. I'm mad that I got out. No, in fact, you know what? It's only trading right now at 12.28. The funny thing about it is I woke up this rising and I actually got out at about 12.74. And it's like as soon as I got out, it started retracing and went back down to about 12. What it dropped to? 12, or was it 11? No, it dropped down. It went from 12.75 and it dropped down to like 12.64 real quick. Right now, trading at 12.28. So it's still in a bit of a retracement. MBA coming in at 23%. Let me see. Look at DMT. DMT up 34% within the last 24 hours. It's got a market cap right now of 11 billion. 24-hour volume of 3 million. No, excuse me, $11 million market cap. Excuse me. My apologies, family. It is an ETH platform Ethereum. Now, if we want to look over the last 7 days, right, and see who's really been pumping, let's see. Let's open this up. Let's check out 7-day performances. Let's check out our 7-day performances. So over the last 7 days, these are, let me see, you see Maker's up 37.36% right now. And that's trading at $679. Keep in mind, we did reach heights of about 780. Let me see. Noah's up 61.67% in the last 7 days. These are what you would look at as swing trades. This is where you have the patience enough to sit back and actually, let the coin do what it's going to do instead of just getting dead in and just wanting, right now. Let me go ahead and make my profit or whatever the case may be. Hold on. My apologies. What's going on, Tammy Milton? What, you sleep? Why you got that on? Am I boring you? Let me know if I'm boring you, Queen. Let me see who else we got over the last 24 hours. Let me see. We got Salt up. Oh no, this is Smartlands actually up 39%. These must be, yeah, these are all Ethereum 20 tokens. Hot right now, up damn near 20%. This right here is only trading at about, I'm gonna say like 19 satoshis maybe. Well, not 20 satoshis. Excuse me. Yeah, 20 satoshis as of right now. Noah trading at about 40. Nexo trading at about 170. What we got at $1.25. And I like to look at these more so in the BTC amount, because when you actually go to these markets and you buy them, you're not actually spending $1.25. You're spending whatever the Satoshi amount is, which fluctuates with in accordance to the dollar price of the actual Bitcoin itself. So heading right over to the charts, so take a look and see what we're looking at over here. First thing we got coming up is Bitcoin. Let me open this up a little bit. Bitcoin with sideways movement. You do see we still have accumulation. We're still in an accumulation period as far as the accumulation distribution goes. Let me see. RSI, we're under 50. Yep. Let me see. Let me get this right on smack on dab where I need it at. Get our coordinates. Basically there. No, I'm not just going to just hit something by mistake. Oh, no problem, no problem, no doubt, Queen. Let's see. Like I said, something was going on with Tether. I don't understand what. I was trying to bring it up, but it's not allowing me to. Let me see. So okay, so I can use that. Let me see. Let me see if it'll allow me to bring it up now. So that's USDT slash USD. And I cannot understand why it's not allowing me to bring this up. Not understanding it at all. Let me see. Make sure I don't have any type of lock on here. I'm not seeing a reason why. Let me see. Let me try to bring something else up. Let's look at Maker if we can. Look at Maker versus dollar. Oh, so it is allowing me to look at. Hold on. So why is it not allowing me? Let's look at versus the debit. Okay. Let's see. 4 hour, 2 hour. There we go. Look at that. This is Tether versus dollar. It's looking like Tether's being dumped right now. I don't know what news came out. We can try to look and see. But this is definitely. Let me see. I wonder why it wouldn't allow me. There we go. There we go. All right. So when we look at USDT versus United States dollar on Kraken, right? Let's go ahead and let's see. Let's see where we're at right now. We're trading it about right here. Let's open this up. Let's look at a month chart. Okay, so we see we have. Wow, look at that. Let me see. Let me see. So we haven't dipped down this low in Tether since the 1st of February, and that's when we had the big dump in the market, period. Now look where the wick came though. Look how far down we done. We down there down 95 cent, versus the dollar. That's something people should be paid attention to. It's been a lot of scrutiny that's come out about whether Tether is actually backed by anything, and it's a lot of distrust in Tether. It's been for the most part where I go to as for stability, as far as when the market's dropping. So with it showing, what I'm saying, what it's showing right now, I would definitely be careful with it, because you could lose. I mean, how would that work though? I don't know, strange. Something I have to do some more research on. Let me see. Let's look at Bitcoin. We're looking at it right now versus USD. That's a monthly day chart. Let's open it up. So we're still well within our sideways motion. Being rejected right now by the 55-day moving average, and it's been our rejection level since at least right now since the 23rd of September. It's been rejecting us as far as moving up in price, and it's getting lower and lower. So as it gets lower, we'll continue to get lower. Now, if we blow this up, now I know on YouTube it's been a lot of talk about some bull run or some move Bitcoin made to the upside. I don't know what the hell they talking about. I mean, when we look at it, especially on Coinbase, it hasn't made a significant move to the upside since September 21st. Really, the 22nd, which we had a high of, what was that, 68.23. So until we get back to these levels, I mean, I really don't see Bitcoin doing anything right now. And oddly enough, that's exactly where our 100-day moving average is actually coming in line with as we speak. Now, the 200-day moving average is what everything is chasing. If we go across the board, let me see. I know Genesis Vision for one actually just crossed the 200-day moving average. Looking good right now. Genesis Vision looking real good. What are we trading at? 185. So we have had a nice retracement level. I got in. Let me see where we at right now. Let's look at an hour, 45 minutes. So a nice pullback. Very nice pullback. I got out around these areas. Let me see. Let's look at GBT versus the dollar. In fact, no, I can tell you exactly what price I got out of GBT at. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me look it up. I know it was pretty much at the top right before it dipped down. It was pretty much at the top, and I don't know why I got out because it was in a good. It was running good. It was something told me just go ahead and just take your profits real quick while you can. So let me see. Let's look here. Let me look at my order history. Give me 1 second. I just want to look and see. Okay, so I ended at 17,557 and I exited at 19,337. So let's see. Let's go back to GBT versus Bitcoin. I entered at 17,500. So I entered 17,557. Let me see. 17,500. That's 550 right there, pretty much. I got out at where? 19,337. 19,337. Hold on. 19,339. There we go. So I left out of there with a nice clean 10% profit. Real clean. I'm talking about overnight. I got in I believe right before I laid down, if I'm not mistaken. So I had to have gotten in right around this area. Let me see. Trying to slide this down a little bit. So right now, let me see, having a bit of retracement. We're probably gonna break back down to our support levels right here at 18. What's that? 183.91. Right now, trading currently at 193.59. 37 minutes left within the 45-minute candlestick. So GBT's in a bit of a pullback right now. Great rising, family. How we doing out there? Anybody got any picks that they may want to take a look at? Any personal picks that they may want to take a look at? You can post those now if you so choose. Let's take a look at Ethereum. For the most part, I'm gonna be honest with you, the top coins aren't really doing too much movement. I mean, look at Ethereum. We came down. All in all, we came down to $221 right now, still trading at about 224. In fact, I got to look at this. I got to look at the charts that I've made. Let me see. So look at this, family. Check it out. What was our low? Remember the level of support that I put that we could drop down to before bouncing up. This is why it's so important for you to learn charting and figure out where those levels of support and resistance are. Just as I placed this, and anyone, you can probably go back yesterday, the day before that, and see where we placed this level of support right here prematurely, way before this, because this is just a 30-minute chart right here. I mean, 45-minute chart. So this was not too long ago. The last time I went live and showed any charts was yesterday, rising at about, when did I go live yesterday? 8:30 maybe. I believe I went live at about 8:30. So almost a little over 24 hours ago, I went live and plotted this line of support, saying that we can see a bit of price action bounce around here. In fact, I actually told people every level that I posted and told you all to write them down. So if anybody goes back, you can actually see this right here was a nice solid call. Both, let me see, 224, 224. We got it plotted at 224.14. We came down 224.18, 224.23, and 224.05 before bouncing back up. Right now, currently trading at 226. So, I mean, you would have got in, let's see, if you would have plotted your buy-in based off of the level of support that we plotted and nothing more, let me see, you could have walked away with, so far, anyways, hold on. I mean, nothing right now, about 1%. 1% gain. Now, where can I see us trading at? Right now, we're going to trade in between 224 and 227. 224 and 227 right now is going to be our trading range. Until you see what's happening right here. What's this, a 30-minute chart? You see where we're getting blocked out at, right? This 200-day moving average right now, where it was being treated as some sort of support up in these levels. Once we broke it and we came back down and crashed down, now it's being treated as resistance. As you can see, we got 1, 2 confirmation, 3, 4 confirmation right here. Let me see this 30-minute chart. Hold on, family. Give me 1 second. Let me go tend to my grandson real quick. He back there about to start whining. Let me go plug him up real quick. DGTX, what's going on with you, brother Kennedy? No doubt. Let me bring DGTX real quick and then go take care of him. And DGTX is not being shown. Let's see if we can look at it. Always remember when you're using TradingView only shows you. I mean, they got a certain selection. Let me say that they got a certain selection that they look at. Yeah, hold on, family. I'll be right back. My apologies for that, family. Let's see, digits. Oh, we looked at this the other day. I don't know if you remember. We looked at this the other day, Queen. We just looked at this not too long ago. Let me see. Right now, up 13%. I mean, still growing. What are you looking for exactly out of DGTX? Let me know what you're looking for, and then maybe I can assist you in a better way. Let me see. DGTX. Let's see. What market was it on again? KuCoin, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, Mercantile. Okay. Let's look at it versus Bitcoin real quick. Even though the majority of the money in it is in Ethereum. I don't know if you noticed that, but the majority of the money in it is in Ethereum. Let me see. Hopefully it's a load up. Let me see. Let me get this going. Check your browser. Come on, here we go. DGTX versus BTC. Yeah, we did look at this. I mean, it wasn't too much I could do with this chart for the simple fact that it's not, it's not TradingView. I don't really know if they got and I've never used Mercantile, so I don't know if they have any type of tools, indicators, But we can take a slight look at it real quick. I mean, still performing well. We came down. We met support. What was the low? We met support at 1100 even. That's what I've been meaning to tell y'all about them psychological price levels. Remember, I always tell y'all those even numbers: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 200, 300, 400, 56, 50, 100, 150, 200, 1000, 2000, 3000, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300. You're usually going to see a significant amount of support and or resistance at those even prices. So right here, we see we hit a bottom at 1100 even on the Satoshi side before rising up above 1200 Satoshis. Right now, settling at about 1358. Do it look like it's going to take off? I mean, I don't know about takeoff. You really can't. Like I said, I can't do what I want with this chart. I really don't. Let me see. What is this? Let me see. This is all. I mean, what's the life? Let me see. How long is this? Digits futures. Let me see some historical data. Let me see. How long has this coin been out? Let's see. All time. Okay, so it's only, if I'm correct, it's only been out since May. So we're only running in about 4 months. 4 months in right now. Let me see. Let's look at something. Let me see. We started off in the 10, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now we're back in the double digits. That's good. Positive. We up in the 20, 25. Oh yeah. Look at this. Okay. This is what I want y'all to pay attention to. Not just the volume. Pay attention to the market cap. Now, when we look at price, let me see, 87 cents, 3 cent, 4 cent, 1 cent, double O. Yeah, definitely. So look at the market cap. We started off at about 10 million. We went back down into double digits. What you're going to see with the market cap is it's going to fluctuate between 7, 5, and 4 million until, look at that, 4 or 5 million, 4 or 5 million, 4 or 5 million, 4 or 5 million, 4 or 5 million. Keep going, 4 or 5 million. We up into August now. Up into August. Now look. Once the 25th of August came, we went into the double digits, 12 million. 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18. As we get deeper, as we get closer to fourth quarter, we actually seen a significant amount of growth come. 20, now we in the 20s. Let's see, 25 million. On the first, we started with 24 million. Right now look at this shoot. We went from 38 million up to $55 million in the market cap. 60, 55, 53. Right now we have 53 million. So when we look at the historical data of Digitex futures, it's definitely a nice amount of money being pumped into this token. I mean, a nice amount of money being pumped into this. So definitely something you should keep your eyes on if you're and it just ranked number 99 out of the top 100. So that's definitely something that you need. Well, I'll try to come back and do a full review of Digits futures at a later time. So like I said, right now it's in a pretty good cycle, but with me not being able to actually chart it, it's not really too much I could tell you just from looking at the candlesticks as I did, But it's looking nice though, looking real nice. Let's see, let's go look at Ripple. Brother Kennedy, what's going on? How we doing out there, man? Anything you want to take a look at? Let's take a look at Ripple. Here we go. Let's see, we have 47 cents. Let me see what's going on. Let me open Ripple up a tad bit. Let's see where we come down to rest on. We at 47. So yep, right here on the 78.6. What's that? 47.15. Let me go in here and adjust this a tad bit. There we go. 47.15. Oh no, that's 8. Excuse me. There we go. So let me see. Right now, we're breaking through our level of support at the 76% line. So we can definitely see us actually retrace. I mean, if it doesn't hold support right here where we're at, we can come down here and test the 200. We're still above the 200. Is that? No, it's not even the 200. We're still above the 100-day moving average as of right now. We're still above the 100-day moving average, which is positive, But if we do break that, 100, we can definitely go down to about 42 cents. If we're not able to hold 42 cents, let me see. Let me see what our breakdown levels are. That's the 41. I mean, I don't see what's stopping us from going all the way, retracing back down to about 35 cents in all actuality. Really 33 cents just to be, what I'm saying, all the way on point. About 33 cents. So, I mean, Ripple had a nice shoot. It tried twice. Keep this in mind now. It did try twice to break above that level of resistance. Well, more than twice. I mean, as a collective, we had tried back in this area. We came down with retracing. We tried once again, and it just wasn't happening. So right now, not even really sideways movement. Let me see if we look at the RSI. Excuse me. When you look at the RSI, we're actually bottoming them out, coming down towards being oversold. Distribution is leveling off. So we're losing distribution. We may go back into an accumulation period, which in turn we may see a bit of a pump or a little bit of a rise in price action. Let's take a look at BCC. BCC with straight sideways motion. Nothing really going on. Let me see. Let me see. Even though we are going into a distribution period right now, for the most part, BCC is holding its gain. Let me see above. That actually seems to be. Let me see what is this. 509. Let's see. It actually seems to be a tight level of support where we're at right now, give or take. Let me try to get in here real quick. So we could bring it down about right there. What's that, 505? Let me see. We can easily see that we have resistance about 658 easy. Now our real overhead resistance right now is coming in. Our real overhead resistance right now coming in at about 572. And on a lower level, about 540. Now, where could we break down to? That is the question. What is our breakdown levels when Ethereum is, Bitcoin Cash, excuse me. I don't know why I said Ethereum. So let's see. We're coming into a distribution period right now with Bitcoin Cash. We are above, or are we just now hitting? Look at that. Just now hitting 50 on the RSI. Let me see. Let me adjust this. There we go. We're just hitting 50 on the RSI. We could see a bounce here, or continue to move sideways as we've been doing. But definitely your level of support right now is coming in at about 504. Your overhead resistance is at about 540. In order to continue to rally and or break down on the rally side, you're going to meet resistance once we make it to 540. And this is just on the day chart. Remember, I haven't even broke down into 4 hour, daily candlesticks is what I'm talking about right now, family. Daily candlesticks, our support levels, our resistance overhead levels are at 540, 570, 572, and then on a larger route at $658. Now, when we look at our underlying support, we got support at about 505. If we break down from there, let me see. Actually, hold on. Actually, I just noticed something else. There we go. So if we break down from the 505 levels, we can easily see support at around 475. We break down from there, we're looking at support at 442, and then below that at 412. That is Bitcoin Cash, family. It is Bitcoin Cash. Let me see. Let me see if we got any comments, any questions. Okay, no doubt. Real quick, let's move over to the stock side of things. Let's see what's going on pre-market. In fact, I don't even have to do all that. I got them over here waiting for me. Let's see. We're going to start with IGC first. Right now, trading $5.76 right now pre-market. We closed at 482 yesterday. We closed at 482. Ran up. What did we run up yesterday? A high of $6.78. Real nice bounce off of the four. What was this? What was the low? 397 was the low. We closed at 405. So very nice bounce reaction from yesterday. Today we're trying to see what we can. Let me see. That was the ninth. No, what? Okay, so no, the day before yesterday. Excuse me, family. My apologies. The day before yesterday. So not Tuesday, but Monday. Monday, the opening when we opened up on Monday, because this right here is what? That's the 5th, and then we jumped straight to the 8th. Correct. So Monday had a very, very nice opening for IGC. Since then we've retraced. We did not go back and retest the same levels. Rather, we actually met support at our previous resistance level. As you can see right here, where we met support at is damn near exactly. Let me see, what was this opening at? We opened at 405. We closed at 482. So if we go deep in there, it wasn't that big of a difference. Look at the hour. You can see real easily where we're fluctuating at. So look for IGC. If IGC is able to hold its gains above $4.81 when it does open, like you see right now, it's pre-market. It's already at 578. So if we're able to hold our gains on IGC as far as when it opens, we'll see where the gap happens. But we can definitely see it try and possibly test. Let's see where we tested 680. If we break Monday's high, our next level of resistance will come at about $7.35. Now, what could happen on the breakdown side? If IGC does continue to break down, you're going to meet your support levels at $4.97, $4.05, 345, and 305. That's for IGC. Moving along to Cannabis growth. No doubt, Miss Sammy. Moving right along to Cannabis growth. Um, I mean, man, still performing well. Look at that. It's the hour chart. So you see, we came up, we tested our support levels. I mean, our resistance levels. Wasn't able to sustain. What happened? We broke back down. Same support level down there. Same support level down there. Open that up a tad bit. There we go. So you can see we did break down. We broke below our lower support level at $46. Still to be paid attention to though. If you look, we are still within our channel of our what is that 25% Fibonacci fan line. So even though we're moving sideways, if we continue to consolidate, we can actually see us. We could continue to move sideways, but we should see us react with this fan line in some way, shape, or form. We should see some type of reaction. You can see actually a couple of hits here. One, two, came back down, tested, broke down, wasn't able to hold. So plotting your support and resistance levels is key. Let me see. In fact, I got another one right here. What's that? 47.62. Let me see. Closed at 48.72 right now. Pre-market trading at 49.05. We did bring a nice amount of news yesterday for CGC. We did bring a nice amount of news yesterday for CGC. Let me see, moving right around to Aurora. Now, Aurora, I'm talking about exceptional news. Exceptional news. They have gotten the okay from the DEA to transport marijuana, cannabis, dried cannabis into the United States. So they just got okay from the Drug Enforcement Agency to go ahead and bring pounds of weed into the United States. So we should definitely, let me not say definitely. We may see an increase in price action. Right now, pre-market, we're only up 1%, trading at $10.30. We closed yesterday at $10.19, roughly $10.20. Let me see. Our overhead resistance is at 1043. 1043. Let me see the highest level. Let me check this out real quick. 1039. So, nah, hold on. That can't be. 1050. Yeah, that's gonna be your high to be 1049 and 1050. 1050 roughly. If we can break 1050 and turn that into some type of support, we can continue to rally with Aurora. I'm not really looking for this one to do no type of wild volatility as I'm long on it, so I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Moving right along the Tilray. Let me see this. Looking at the hour chart. Let's look at the day chart. I just want to see daily action. So still finding support right now at a 50% retracement level. Let me see. Your support is exactly 130.77. As we can see, we closed at 128.96 and we opened up pre-market at 132.61. So opening right above our support level. Opening right above our support level. We could see we're gonna have problems again at 144 if we make it back up there. We may see a bit of resistance when we get to 144. So definitely something to keep your eyes on. Understand that. I don't know if anyone's long or anything on Tilray. Me, I wasn't messing with Tilray. Once I seen the type of pump it had, it was like, nah, it's not my boat. Not my boat. On that wick, too dangerous. Now think of everyone that has bought above $187. Right now they holding the bag, wondering and hoping will it get back to where do you buy Aurora? You buy Aurora on KuCoin. KuCoin. KuCoin is where you buy Aurora. In fact, after I look at this next stock, we'll go take a look at Aurora also. Family, I want to thank everyone that's tuning in with me right now. If you like what I'm showing, if you like what I'm bringing, if you like the information that I'm sharing, if you can, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this out on Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media platform it is that you use for anyone that you think may want to see this information. So real nice, look at this, real nice connection right now. Look, you see what happened? We wicked up, came and we hit that 50% retracement. I mean the 50% Fibonacci fan line almost flawlessly before coming back down and finding our support. I mean resistance at 620. Check that out. Real clean cut. Real clean cut. So let's see, what are we looking at down here? The plot going on. Okay. Let me see. Pretty much no action right now on Cusco Holdings. Let me see. We closed at $6.20. Pre-market is at $6.20. Now we did run up yesterday to a high of $6.36. We opened up at 5.95, 5.99. So definitely some nice growth. Let me see. Where could we go from here? Hmm. Let's see. There we go. About right. Because what I try to do, I try to apply all the possible price lines it could hit. So right now we have 620 on the retracement level. You're looking at 594, 588 on the rally side. You got to get above six. Let me see. What is the price to beat? 630, 635, 640. Okay, I see what's going on back here. So let's take a look. Let's swing back here. Let's take a look at what's going on. This level right here. You see these two rejections right here. What was that? The high was 639. The high was 640. What I say over here was going to be your top level. You got to beat 640. You got to get past that. Now, when we were able to get past that, you see we were able to shoot up above $7. No, not even really. High 680, 693. Okay, so we have been up to the $8 range. Let's look at the monthly. Let's see what our highs have been for the most part. And it's a hell of a wick. $10, 850, and 693. So 693 right now is the price to beat. Simply put, 693 is that price to beat. I mean, price action looking real nice. We had a rally, retraced, rally, retraced, rally. What are we seeing here? What are we seeing? A nice pattern. Now, is it hard to play patterns? No, it's not. Let's see. And this pattern gives you roughly, if you want to just play the ins and outs of it. Let me see. No, let me pull that. I want to be able to enter. Let me see. What is this giving us? About 40%. Roughly 40%. You know that you can play a couple times. Leading back until the 1st of January 2018. Not bad. Not bad when you look at stocks. What I say I want to look at? Oh, Aurora. Can we look at Aurora on here? Yep, there we go. Aurora versus Bitcoin. Oh, okay. It's actually available on Bittrex also. Excuse me, Queen. My apologies. It's actually available on Bittrex also. Let me see on a monthly. Looking at it on a monthly, we're coming down. We're retesting. What is this? 1st November 2017. What was our low? Our low was 21. What is our low with this month? 23. So not totally retesting the same lows of November 1st of 2017. Coming up, oddly enough, coming up on our year anniversary, we're coming right back down to the same lows where we were at, where we once at, not only a year ago. So I would like to see how it reacts. Right now, the monthly candlestick is not looking very bullish. Even though we've been seeing some nice, if this is the right one, let me see. Let's look at the day chart. Let me see. This ain't the right. This isn't the right one. Let me see. Which Aurora? Because I think it's more than one Aurora coin. Which one are we looking at? So you got Aurora coin, then you got AOA. Which one are you talking about, Queen? Which Aurora? You're probably speaking about AOA. Let me see. I can almost bet we're talking about AOA. Let's see what it's up today. Let's see exactly what we're up today. Peace, fam. I can see we got, what, about 4 viewers in the house. Man, if y'all can go ahead and check in, let me know your name, city, state where you checking in from if you so choose to. I do like to know who's watching me. So, come on. There we go. Down 5.76% for the day. So this coin has been running for the past couple of weeks fairly nicely. If we go down, see, look at the volatility in it. Let me see. Let me squeeze this down to maybe end of September. Let me go ahead and let that load up real quick. Yeah, AOA. Yep, that's what we're looking at now. I figured that wasn't the right one. So let me see. The beginning of October. Look at that. Look what happened since the beginning of October. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see what high. Let me see. Where's price action right now? About right there. That's about the same level right there. What I'm using at the top of this is my line of support right now. That's what I'm looking at. Let me see. So we got support at about these levels. What's that about? That's about right. Now this right here where you got the major support. So I mean it's looking like it's coming down, moving sideways. We could continue on another rally. When we look at Aurora, without me being able to look at it on Trading View though, kind of hard for me to tell. Let's see. Let's go take a look at it on KuCoin. In fact, I was actually just showing my man this last night. Thank you for sharing, Queen. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let me see. We're going on 8:30, so we're gonna be getting out of here in a minute. We will be getting out of here in a minute. Let me see. I'm letting this load up real quick. We are bringing up KuCoin. Now, what I like about KuCoin, I am able to look at it on the Trading View format. So this is perfect. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. So look, we came damn near right back down to that same. Let me see. We still well above. Let me see. We got support and about 29. What we're hitting right now, look where it's hitting right now. Those are our resistance levels back here around, what is that? The 8th? That's August. Hitting our resistance levels right now of August and a little bit past, but real strong right here between the what's that, the 17th and the 18th. Right now, hitting those same levels of resistance, turning them into support if we can. If we break under them, we could end up using those as resistance also. But I mean, for the most part, it's looking like we found our bottom. We look at it, double bottom, double candlestick, double tap, double tested. Real nice reaction off of it. I would definitely use this right here as a basis as far as my floor goes at 171, 166. So that's Aurora, family. Going on 8:25 right now. If nobody has anything else to take a look at, I will be getting out of here so I can start my day trading. Got my cup of coffee. I may come back live when I get it with my man Bino. Do something around 9:30, 10 o'clock. Not 100% sure yet. But if nothing else is to be said, family, with that, we're going to get up out of here. This is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler, Bitcoin Block Bully. I want to thank everyone for tuning in with me. Until the next video, peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.